In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Calendly meetings, whether you're updating event details, tweaking scheduling preferences, or customizing notifications. Knowing how to make these adjustments can help you maintain a seamless booking experience for both you and your invitees. Calendly is an incredibly powerful tool for managing appointments, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident navigating its features to ensure your schedule works exactly the way you need it to. If you don't already have a Calendly account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. To begin, head over to the Calendly website for the quickest access. Simply type calendly.com into your browser's address bar and hit enter. Once you're on the home page, locate and click the login option in the top right corner. Logging in is essential because it gives you access to all the events you've scheduled, making it possible to manage and customize them. Now, if you prefer, you can choose the Continue with Google option to log in. This is not only a convenient method, but also a faster one if you already have a Google account. After selecting this option, you'll be prompted to choose the specific Google account you wish to use. If you don't use Google, that's okay, just follow the standard login process with your email and password. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is the central hub where you can view and manage all of your events. Next, navigate to the Event Types section here. You'll see all the different meeting types or appointment slots you've created in Calendly. This section is where you'll select the specific event you want to edit. Click on the event you'd like to update, and this will open the details for that particular event. From here, let's start by going into the Event Details section. This is where you can make adjustments to the title of your event, its description, the location where it will take place, and even the duration of the meeting. For example, you might want to update the title to better reflect the purpose of the meeting or change the location to a virtual platform like Zoom. Take your time here to ensure the details are accurate and clear for your invitees. Once you've updated the event details, move on to the scheduling settings. This is a critical area where you can fine-tune how and when people can book time with you. Here, you can adjust your availability to make sure it aligns with your schedule. You can also add buffer times between meetings to give yourself a breather and avoid back-to-back bookings. Additionally, you can set limits on how many meetings you're willing to take in a single day. These settings are particularly useful for maintaining a balanced workload and preventing overbooking, so be sure to review them carefully. Next up, head over to the booking page options. This is where you can customize how your event appears to the people you're inviting. You'll have the option to set up questions for your invitees to answer when they book, things like, what's the purpose of this meeting, or do you have any specific topics you'd like to discuss? This ensures you're well prepared for the meeting. You can also share any critical information your invitees need to know, such as preparation materials or call-in instructions. And finally, let's explore the notifications and workflows section. This part of Calendly allows you to manage how you communicate with your invitees. You can edit the email notifications that are sent out automatically, configure reminders to help attendees show up on time, and even set up follow-up messages after the meeting. Taking the time to fine-tune these options ensures clear and seamless communication, which helps your meetings run smoothly from start to finish. And that's it! You've now learned how to edit your Calendly meeting settings, from adjusting event details and scheduling preferences to customizing notifications and workflows. If you have any questions or tips about using Calendly, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.